So move on to the RBI Lab 3, that is to segregate the emails based on the email IDs and to organize them into the respective folders with Outlook uses automation. So the overall summary of this lab here is to download all the dependencies that we are going to have in our Outlook account. So basically we should have a Microsoft account and we have to give the access and we have to download the dependencies for all those into our UiPath. So make sure that you have your UiPath downloaded and make sure that all the dependencies for the Microsoft email segregations are downloaded. So here we go. After you create an project individually, you can log in into your project and you can go and search for the Outlook desktop mail messages. So in that you will be having the dependencies. So that make sure that you download the dependencies. If it is already been downloaded, there is no need for that. So if it is not downloaded, you can go and search for each. For each Outlook you can go and you can download the dependencies. So the packages are being downloaded for the Microsoft UiPath. So again, after downloading all your dependencies, you can simply search for each and you can go for messages. And in this messages, you can use the if functionality. So basically what we are going to do here is, we are going to give many conditional statements here so that each conditional statements will be having some sort of constraints. For example, the first conditional statement which I will be giving has a particular email address of the recipient or the particular email address of the sender, so that it will segregate that particular mail and it will go and segregate into a different folder which will be saved in your UiPath project itself. So this is how we go. So make sure that you select the browser type which you are going to give, for example, the Outlook, and make sure your dependencies are being installed. And at the right hand side, I have taken the item, I have replaced it with item, and the argument type I have given for my dependency as the current mail messages. You can give the if function inside for each block. For if function, as I have already mentioned, I'll be taking two types of a function. The first will be having my HR address portal. So inside the if function, you can give whatever constraints you are having. For example, I have my HR folder, so that any folder you have particularly attachment in that mail, you can mention that also for easier retrieval of that. And the second, after completing if, you can go for the else. So if either the HR box is not going to be fetched